In this tutorial, I will show you toolbar options from the edit menu. So let's dive into this. From the edit menu, this is the toolbar options and I am clicking here. You can see a dialog box has been appeared and you can find all the tool stack from here. You can see all the tool stack and this is eraser tool stack. You can see in this order also these are the here. All the stack has been here. So this is the start, this is move tool and this is the zoom tool. I would like to show if you want to consider that artboard tool is no more needed in this move tool stack. So you can click and drag here and it is now transferred to the, you can see here is the artboard tool. Or if you make it in the this stack, you can see now this is in the this stack. So in this way, if you click down, it is, you can see now you can find artboard tool in this stack. So if you want to restore defaults, you can consider you have done lots of changes here and now you want to get back to the defaults. So just click here restore default and it will be as usual as others. Also you have, if you want to save any preset from here after changing here, you can save this and also load this from here. So that was for this quick tutorial. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe this channel. Keep editing.